Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as I try to solve different queries of my subscribers and viewers. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about some query or some doubts regarding Accenture Phase 3 related results regarding the rejection mail, why they are sending the rejection mail, all details I'm going to discuss, and who have received the rejection mail and is there any chance of getting selection mail after getting the rejection. So these type of queries I'm going to discuss because lots of our viewers have commented in our previous video where I have published that Accenture has starting to sending the rejection mail. So I have got lots of comments regarding same query. So I decided to prepare a video for this query, and I have also checked many telegram channels also where the candidates are getting Accenture rejection mail, why they are getting. So I have done few analysis of it, why they are sending the rejection mail. So watch the video till end so that you will get the clear idea, and you can try for other off campus drives also. You get the motivation to move on, or any other queries if you have, you can directly comment your further doubts in our comment box, and also you can directly DM us in our Instagram channel Job Updates by Verma. You can discuss your doubts in our Telegram channel Job Updates by Verma. All the details links are given in the description box, you can check. So let's start. So firstly, I'm going to give you the answer regarding one question, that is, if you got rejection mail, is there a chance of getting selection mail? So one of our candidate has asked that is there any chances of getting selection mail after rejection. So Mahesh, I'm going to tell you that yeah, there is a 50% chance of getting rejection mail after getting rejection mail, the selection mail. Okay, 50% chance is there. So let me now tell you that why they are sending the rejection mail. You have also written that you have given all the rounds very pretty well, executed both the codes, good interview you have given. Also an interviewer is said that they are impressed by your performance, and they also told you definitely you are going to place in Accenture, but you still got the rejection mail. So as they have given some positive response, so from that point of view I'm telling you that there is a 50% chance of getting selection mail after getting the rejection mail. Okay, so now so I'm going to discuss about three facts that who have received the rejection mails. So firstly, those candidates who have given their cognitive and technical round very well, and they have attended the technical interview round very well. Also they have solved two coding questions, communication round was also pretty good, they are getting rejection mail. And second type of category, those candidates who have given cognitive and technical round very good, and they have solved one coding question, they are also getting. And some of the candidate who have the criteria like they have given overall performance good in all the selection process in Accenture phase 3, they are also getting rejection mail. So these three category students are getting. So now just let me tell you that what is the Accenture elimination round. Okay, so basically from the prior experience we are able to see that cognitive round and technical round is the main elimination round, not the coding round or communication round, based on their analysis of the result. But somehow I want to talk with you like they are not evaluating the candidate properly. As the students are mentioning, they have given their best in the examination, but still they are getting rejection mail. So I think there is some mismatch, or there is some misjudgment in the result evaluation process of the Accenture. So I will say that we need to be unite, and we need to put a general question in the social media account, like we need to ask them that why the students are getting rejection mail continuously. So they have started to send phase 3 result from September 22nd. So after that all the candidates, mostly among 100 students, 90 students are getting rejection mail, 10 students are getting selection mail. So we have also analyzed few reasons that why they are sending this rejection mail. Firstly, the candidate requirement fulfilled is done. Like I just want to give you explain about this part or about this point. Like sometimes Accenture said that this year we are going to hire 10,000 students from freshers batch to our organization. So sometimes they set some candidate number as their goal to hire. What happens as they are doing their placement process phase by phase? So already phase 1, phase 2 is done. The phase 3 is now still going on, and the results are they are sending. So it may be one reason that candidate criteria fulfill target is achieved by Accenture. So that's why they are nowadays sending rejection mail most of the students, though they have given their best performance in the interview as well as in the all the rounds of the selection process. Next reason may be the candidate performance was not good according to them. You were saying that you were given your best in the rounds, but maybe you have done some mistake, or you are not evaluating your interview process in a right manner. There is a chance. Okay. Third reason is Accenture may not be checking the proper result that I was previously discussing, that somehow they are ignoring to evaluation of the proper candidates. They're not properly evaluating the candidates. It may be one reason because of this candidate criteria requirement fulfill of the company, as it is a phase 3 process of this year. And also one reason is there, maybe the elimination round criteria has changed. Previously we have seen that coding round and technical round were the elimination round. Maybe they have changed their round to communication round or cognitive round. So that is the main reasons. So I think I have solved your doubt. Now for the question, is there a chance of getting selection mail after rejection? Yeah, I have said 50% chances there. I will say that I may be able to solve your doubts, and if you still have doubts, please carry on with your doubts in the commenting box of this comment box. Try to comment your doubts. I will definitely try to answer those questions and try to analysis the evaluation steps, and try to gather some news for you guys. So to get this type of updates and job notification from us, stay tuned with us. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and share this news with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thanks friend, thanks for watching this video.